Hi everyone, this video will teach you how a ShipVistas user can get their shipping queries resolved by creating a ticket if they face any difficulty using the platform. Despite so many ways the ShipVistas platform provides to connect to ShipVistas team, one of the methods that I prefer is ticketing system right from the dashboard. So let's get right into it. Make sure you are logged into your ShipVistas account and can see the dashboard. Click on the headset icon on the top right hand side of the navigation bar. This will navigate you to the My Tickets page. My Tickets page displays a list of your current, open, closed and in progress tickets. As you can see, there is one closed ticket on My Tickets page. Let me add a ticket to show you how to use the ticketing system. Click on Add New Ticket button on right side of the page to open Create New Tickets dialog. Choose one option from the left side of the dialog depending on what causing you a problem. You will see two input fields where the user can provide summary and detailed description of the problem. Also, you can change your problem to Other if your reason is not shown in the listed options. Write specifics of your problem. You can attach files like screenshot of your problem or a video recording showing what causing you a problem. Click on Submit. As you can see, your ticket has been created with the ticket ID 1010. You should receive response from our customer support team within 24 to 72 hours. Click on the ticket ID of the ticket to see the progress of your ticket or start a chat with a customer support agent. You can write your message in the chat box. Now you have three options: attach, reply and close. Reply. If you want to attach a file, you can click here and attach any file. Or if you want to reply and close the ticket, you can click here, else click on reply. You can also close the ticket by clicking on close ticket button. Now users can also reopen their issues by clicking on reopen ticket. Here, write a reason, click on reopen and your ticket status has changed to open again. So that's all about ShipVistas' unique ticketing system. Thank you, and I will be back with more educational content on ShipVistas platform.